and welcome to Anmaree's workshop. My name is Anmaree and I love to make things with joy. This video is about the last 3 days spent at my sewing retreat in Montego Bay, Jamaica. So I'm starting off by giving you a view of the facility that we stayed. We stayed at Blue Orchid Hotel right near to the airport in Montego Bay. It was the beautiful place to have this event. Very intimate, very sweet. Now we started off with about 7 for this retreat, and I think we finally ended up with 3 because life happens. We lost one furnace and one person got nervous about flying, but what was most important is that we had a wonderful time. Their pool area was so close to our little cottage, and it was a great time to be had. We stayed in Almond Tree Cottage. There was so much to do, handwork, and spending time with our fellow attendees. We were able to get in a little morning sew before we headed back to Ping's and Pablo's one last time to see if there was any fabrics we had missed and for more inspiration. Now, once we collected our stuffs and headed out on the road, it was only 1.5 miles away to get to Ping's. We entered and I immediately passed a bucket that was filled with this cable knit. And I have a friend who loves that kind of stuff, so we called him on the phone and said, "Hey, are you interested in this?" And so I took the whole bundle.
I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna swing around you.
And in the meantime, we went over
just so
to
Will can see what's possible.
What Ankara pieces they had, and they had some gorgeous pieces. And so we got some for us and some for our friend.
Will.
We all got a piece of this Missoni-ish Ankara.
Are y'all gonna be fighting? Is it gonna be a fight? God, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
It is.
It's Ankara. She's finished. Linda, you found something you want?
Yeah, she got some of that one.
She's got one more? All right. Oh, wow. Wow. Lord help me, I gotta get out of here. Look at this. Did you see this? Get me out of here. What's gonna happen?
So this is the right side with the more clothes.
That's the right side.
Oh, that's the right.
Jesus.
That's different. That's very different. Oh my God, it's like...
And when you wash it, it's gonna be lighter. I will. Now I'm gonna take the film first. Linda got her green fabric. Let me take the picture, girl. Hold on.
Nothing is better than shopping with like-minded people who enjoy fabric, enjoy color, enjoy the joy of sewing.
I'll hold one side.
Right, that way I'll...
Go ahead, girl. I don't want you to be strained.
This one.
Now you know I already hid mine in the car, so he who is without shame, throw the first bolt of fabric. Oh, that's beautiful. The Ankara here was crazy. Gucci. That's beautiful. Okay. Elastic. Zippers. Come on, zippers. Yes. Button. Uh-oh.
More fabric. First,
Fabric.
So the buttons don't get lost.
Fabric.
I don't know if this bag's gonna be able to hold
Yes,
it.
it can. Yes, it can. It's talented. And buttons.
Yay me!
You did a good job, girl.
After saying goodbye to Pink's, it was down the street to Pablo's. Only a short walk.
So the shame of it all.
Well, you don't have no fabric store in America, baby.
No.
Joann's is gone.
Yeah.
Connie got some wonderful things and the linen was exquisite. I was finally able to lure my sewers out to Harmony Beach, a free beach that was a mile and a half away from our hotel. And we got a box lunch with some traditional Jamaican food, and we took ourselves over to the beach and put our feet in the sand.
I finally got them out of the room. They're gone to the water. Put their feet in the water. Oh my God. I didn't think it would be that hard to get them to get in the water. There they go. Next to last day of the sewing retreat. So we went to Harmony Beach, which is a free public beach in Jamaica. After having a wonderful meal, they serve food here as well. Security, chairs, umbrellas. It's amazing. Well,
And then it was time for us to go home. We had a wonderful time in our almond cottage, and the participants who were able to make it had a great time also.